This is happening right now at a courthouse in njaba, Imo State. This is a battle, a power challenge, a battle between a native doctor and a river server. Native doctor is holding the rain from falling, as you can see, and the native doctor is refusing the rain. Since I've been hearing that they used to bring down rain from heaven, and I used to hear that they used to refuse rain coming down from heaven. But today, it happens in my eye. And I am charmed today. The native doctor was holding rain from falling because today is the final day of Owu Festival. Now they invited the native doctor to hold the rain from falling. Now, the water server, the water goddess, now said rain must surely fall. You understand? Now the water server now invokes the rain. It's now invoking the rain while the native doctor is holding the rain. Two power is jamming together. Two power is jamming together. Today now, if they play, if they show, this one will happen to my eye. They don't need to tell me this one. Nobody will tell me. See those people that is doubting. Those people that is doubting there is no power. They don't used to hold rain fall at its own time. It's a lie. Today I saw it with my global eye. A water goddess is bringing down rain. His name is Tata Jesus. He's bringing down the rain while native doctor is taking back the rain. This is not joke. This is not play. It happens today in my eye. In fact, it's happening now as I'm talking to you. If you doubt, come to a courthouse in njaba, Imo State, or look. It's happening live and direct. It's happening live and direct. He dey play the show. He dey play the show. Native doctor and water server, water goddess. I don't know anyone will call up. I bet you're gonna take it like that. I'm just bringing this news now as it happen. That direct updates. Don't be say they tell me. Don't be say another person video. Now me the video I'm live. And me video I'm live. I bet you're gonna watch this video. So I watch. I'm making a share. As they watch the share, he dey play the show. One more power day. Who say power day? Fear powers. Respect yourself. Powers day. But in all, Almighty God power is bigger than them. That's all I know. If they like, let them do anything. Me, as a servant of God, if I appear there and say, let that be rain, surely there must be rain. Nobody doubts me. You understand? This is a power engagement between a native doctor and the water server. He said it's on 1 minute. That's what Jesus said. It's on 1 minute, not a juju man. He doesn't do juju. He serves the goddess, the water, the river goddess. While the other one says the native doctor, he serves the ancestors. Now this is a fight between ancestors and the goddess and the river goddess. It will happen for this life. Imagine rain will fall in the other side. Rain will not be falling here. Imagine this one will send the rain down. Heavy rain. It's more than if you look at the rain beats mercilessly. This one will provoke the rain, while the other one will take out the rain. Today they play the show live and direct. I cannot wait. I go use my eyes, see as it happen today live. Imagine. Just watch this video, please. The only thing you help me and do as you're watching this video is help me like and share. Like and share as you're watching this video. Like and share so that other people will see and believe that it's power. You see they are shouting there. Let me go and watch. He dey play, he dey show. And then share this video, share them for doubting for more. People that say they used to hold race, they used to stand out the race. Share this video so that they will see it and believe that it's power. Imagine, the sun is coming out again. I beg, as the world they share. As you can see, like watching this video, you will see that the other side there is no rain there. Go to the other side, you see that rain is falling heavily there.
Between Oya Tibia and Oya Nacho Doctor. Oya Haga, Oya Happy. You don't play the show. Rain is falling down side. Very serious rain. Rain is falling down. But rain is not falling everywhere. It's dry. Come on! Don't be smart, you know. Who said you do no day?
You said you do no day. What did you do?
Mama do. Today don't go. Who said that they come out there? On your side, they give me.
Be careful.
Everywhere I bet to bend. Everywhere I bet to bend. This one there, they do. Oh no. This one there, they do. Oh no.